Once every so often, there's a product that passes through with technological advancements that just make sense. In this case, wireless stability, DSP functionality, and certification to boot, all culminating in a form that revolutionizes the category. Introducing Shure Microflex Wireless Next 2. Taking the benefits of the Microflex wireless platform, MXW Next 2 is an evolution of the popular 2-channel microphone format, ideal for presentation spaces, education facilities, and rental applications. Using the benefits of the DECT wireless platform, the Next 2 lineup provides reliability and stability when utilizing the handheld, bodypack, or boundary-style wireless microphones. With its multiple connection paths, such as the ability to bring additional audio in and out via the analog or Dante connections, this gives users the capability to incorporate a lectern, a wider DSP system, or even Shure's own MXA microphones. With IntelliMix DSP processing built in, including noise reduction and AEC, this allows the Next 2 platform to be plugged directly into your conferencing system of choice. So that's Microflex Wireless Next 2. To top it all off, it also incorporates Microsoft Teams certification. For more information about Shure's Microflex Wireless Next 2, make sure to visit jans.com.au.